is where you get your boarding pass. So I go to this self-service check-in and I press Lufthansa. I'm flying with Lufthansa. And then I have to pick either frequent flyer card, passport, national identity card, input of booking reference, or if I'm already checked in. You pick the language, follow the instructions. If you're using your passport, you have to put it through here. And then if you have to pay or whatever, there's a slot here for credit cards or frequent flyer cards. And then your boarding pass will come out through here. Then you take your boarding pass and you go to drop off your luggage at one of the check-in desks over there. Okay, it's time to leave Miami, and now I have to go through the security check, and there's a really big line. Hope it goes fast. So once I pass the security check, I like to travel with my bottle of water and my gummy bears, yes. Alright, now I'm going to check the duty free to see if there's anything worth buying. Okay, my opinion on duty free, I don't think it's such a great deal. Prices you find here are similar to what you find at the store. I usually just get duty free for like travel sizes and travel kits that they have, like travel makeup kits, and that you usually don't find in the regular stores, but that's about it. I usually don't buy much. So this I had never seen before. What they do is that they divide up the passengers into different lines according to their seats, and so there are like 5 lines to get into the plane. It's much faster. So I've never seen this before. It's quite efficient, and they're able to load up the plane really fast. This plane has 2 floors. The top floor is the business class and first class, and the bottom floor is where we, the ordinary people, fly. It's coach. Okay, so you see it's an Airbus A380. It's one of the really big planes. That's why there are 5 lines to get in. Okay. To Frankfurt, and now I have to get my bags. As you can see, everything is very well indicated. We have baggage claim, the train stations, and they even have showers. Now this is an impressive duty-free store. It's huge. Okay, when you finally get to the baggage claim, you have to look for your flight, and then it tells you what belt your bags are at. So mine for Miami is at 01. Okay. Have to go to 1. You check the screen. I got my bag. And the lock is broken. So we'll see. They broke the lock. Oh, no, nothing is missing. Now to exit. Okay, throughout the airport there are meeting points if you need to meet somebody, you could always meet at the meeting point. Just make sure you know what terminal you are in.